it's that season, you know, that season whereby we have to harvest what we planted. And remember, we started with you, so we are harvesting with you. We are today going to see what have we gotten. So, hello, Jambo, Moi, it's me Ilona _KE. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a new day. The sun is shining, even though it's cloudy and the sun is shining, but we are enjoying it. This time, who told you that if you travel abroad, you cannot practice what you love? Who said? Nobody. No human being is limited. No human being is limited. So today we are going to harvest our black nightshade, and the time to harvest the black nightshade, they are growing very fast because it has been raining. So let me show you. For example, we start harvesting them when they start producing flowers. For example, this one here, it has started to produce flowers, and its flowers are like purple yellow. Yeah. So for us to enjoy the fruits longer and longer, or to get the vegetables longer and longer, so we have to stop that flowering stage from happening, so that it will produce more and more stems. So I remember when my mother used to have this black nightshade. She was the one who used to go and harvest for us, because she told us that you don't know how to harvest. So she used to go with a knife. I'm practicing what I was taught. Oh, and you cut from here. Let me show you. So for this one, you always cut from here, so that this one can continue. This sprouting leaves or stem can continue to grow. So we just cut it from here like this, for these other stems to continue growing, and we cut it in a sliding position. You slide. So this is how I am doing it. I am removing the heads so that they don't flower, for it to produce more and more branches, and for us to continue eating it for longer time. And my cue is that we are doing this video here in Finland, and Finland we experience winter season. So not far from now, winter will come and all this will be covered. So we have to enjoy faster what we have received. So I am going to harvest this Managu this way. Some people don't use knife, others use knife. It depends. So if you don't want to use a knife, you only pinch. You pinch like this way. This is how to harvest Managu. This Managu is black nightshade, a very delicious African vegetable. It has a lot of nutrients and also helps in a lot of things. Immune, name them all. So this is how we are doing it. And for me, I used not to know that I can plant this black nightshade here in Finland. Wait until I missed it. But before, we used to bring the dried ones, you know, the dried this black nightshade. But then it doesn't have that taste. It just reduces the urge of eating this black nightshade, but it does not really have the whole that taste. It's also medicinal, and it has a very good scent. So the dried ones are also good if you don't have a garden. But then if you have a small garden, or you have a small balcony, if you are living abroad where you don't have a farm, you can plant them there and get to enjoy those small fruits. Because getting little like this one, It's enough for one person, you know. And it's also a way of coming and releasing the day's activities or day's, can we say, stress, work stress or something. You release it to the soil. Connecting to the soil after a busy schedule of the week. So this is how it is done, and this can be done after some time. Then I come again and harvest them, because now it's raining. That means it will grow very fast. Yes. This year the vegetables have not grown uniformly, because the weather has been fluctuating. It was a very hot season, and then it's now raining, and then the seedlings did not grow also uniformly. That's why we are harvesting what we have. The ones which starts to flower is the ones I am starting to remove the head so that it does not flower. For example, this one is the kind of flowers, and these flowers are the ones which will produce the seeds, the small seeds. And now I don't want them to grow as such. That's why. Let me also show you. Here we have some spinach, and spinach is one of very nutritious vegetable also. And this one we just harvest them like this. You know, these are the baby spinach, and also they are starting to flower, but then we don't need these flowers. So I just remove these ones which are flowered so that they don't drop the seeds now, because we don't need them now. I still need space to plant the black nightshade, because I still have some of them there. And here is the place where we planted the garlic. I have to come and reshuffle this place. Then we plant with you. I show you how we plant the black nightshade. So whenever we are getting to the point whereby we are seeing the fruits of our hands, you know, that's the most happiest season. And whatever you do, I have always emphasized that do it with all your heart, do it with all your strength, do it with all your energy, you know, so that when the season to come and harvest the fruit comes, you harvest it with a lot of energy, you know. So we just produce this one, and you see, this is how it is. We are producing this here in Finland. For those who are wondering where we are recording this video, we are recording this video from Finland, and we are raising the flag of Kenya. I am a Kenyan by origin, you know, and Kenya is known for its agricultural produce. So we are here to raise the flag I. And this one also you can harvest using the knife. You just cut like this. Cutting. This is the spinach, and then it will grow more and more like this. This is a process of its own, and we still have the whole of this July, and then we still have August, September. So at least we will get something. And then during winter time, because we will not be having these vegetables, we store them. We put them in the freezers. We chop, put them in the bags, storage bags, and then we keep them in the freezers. And that is how we will survive during winter time. So let's continue here. As you can see, here also it has grown. So we have to chop for us to produce more and more. 9, Beautiful. Very beautiful. This is how it is. And someone may ask, what really motivates you to do this gardening in a far away country? In this northern part of the globe. And let me tell you, this is an activity, it's like an hobby, you know, something that you love doing when you have a free time, or you love to see the progress. And this is what it is. You come and catch the soil, connect with nature, and this is how it is, you know. So let me continue harvesting this one. And then also the kales, we have this type. This is another type. That one was the black nightshade, this one is the spinach, and then this one is the sukuma wiki. In Kenya we call this one sukuma wiki. That means pushing the wick. Almost each and every family in Kenya will have this kind of vegetable, because we are pushing the wicks forward and forward. A very nutritious vegetable also. And we have different types, like the one for suckers is the one which has does not have a lot of acid or gas in it. So this one also is another type, and it is going here ready to be eaten. Yes. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, comment, share and like. We are now on the 8888 floor. Soon we are closing the 8th floor and starting the 9th floor, and our aim is road to success. So kindly watch the videos, kindly share them to your friends, bring to your friends on board. We encourage each other, we tell each other that yesterday, today and tomorrow are totally different days. How we harvest managu, how we plant managu is all about this video. So let's continue harvesting here. I told you, you can either use the knife, or you just pluck these heads here. It depends with an individual. For me, both of them are okay. But when you could go to my mother's garden, both of them could not be okay, you know. But because I am the one who is harvesting here, I have not sent anybody to do so. So I just pluck them like this. The little you get, you will always appreciate. This little you get. And then this backyard, no one can really, before I never thought that we can really have this kind of garden here, because it was a very dark backyard. But step by step it has really transformed. It can now give us something to eat, and we are very much grateful. So this is how it is. Yes, beautiful. And we have also this one here. And these ones are still growing. Here we don't have a lot of sun, that's why it's not very well growing. But here they are growing. Yes, I can say they are trying. They are struggling. They are struggling to grow because of the sun. Because the sun rises there, and then now I'm recording this video. It's now 12 noon or almost 1 o'clock, and you can see the sun is going more of this side, and then evening the sun will be there. Then this one gets a bit of sun. Even the vegetables we planted on the sacks, as you can see, these are the sacks. See how beautiful they are, my people. See how beautiful they are growing. So you should not complain that you don't have to complain that you don't have a farm or you don't have a garden. Even bugs is a garden. And you can see the way they are growing. So I just pick them like this so that they get space, and I harvest these other vegetables ready to be eaten. Yes, this is how it is. Small but makes a very big difference. Makes a very big difference. Then they will grow and grow and grow, and that is how it is. Our black nightshade is harvested here. I will always continue picking here and there because they are not growing on the same level. And then also another thing is that weeding happens because it's raining. Weeding, I have to come and do some weeding here and there. And so this was just but an update to tell you that our vegetables are ready. Very nutritious vegetables. Growing them here abroad, you can see it's just but the normal black nightshade. So from me, Ilona_KE, I'm telling you, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, sharing and liking. It makes a difference. So bye bye. Comment